Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Down to Earth Gardening, and it's a beautiful fall day. It's mid-fall, and it got me thinking, why not do a fall garden tour with all of you? So I would love to show you some of the gardens that we get to work in. We've installed, maintained, designed. There's some beautiful plants that are really shining right now. So again, I'm in zone 6A here in Connecticut, and when I walk you through the tour, I am going to try to highlight one or two plants, so it may be annual, perennial, that's really shining right now. So I hope I can give you some great ideas. At the end of the video, I do have a little clip that's just going to show you some beautiful fall foliage that's going on here in Northeast Connecticut, and I'm going to talk about one native shrub that I really love. So thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoy this, and come on and take a walk with me. The first garden that we're showing you today faces southwest, and it's a front foundation garden bed, and what's really shining right now is this beautiful annual coleus in all different shades. Lots of nice bright fall colors. But on the right, I also want to show you this ornamental grass, which is a Japanese forest grass. Beautiful mounding habit, very hardy, and yellow to chartreuse color. We have some more coleus in the front mixed in with our ornamental kale and mums. This clip is showing one of my top favorites, top picks for fall, and that's the anemone called September Charm. Beautiful open pink flower that's also great in cut bouquets. But I think it looks really great mixed in with the coleus. The aster, it's a surefire way to add a pop of color in the fall. This is purple dome combined with sedum angelina. This garden is right alongside the road, so it has a lot of hardy ground covers, and in the mix is lorope, variegated. And I really wanted to feature this because this is a perennial grass that flowers, and it's also an evergreen. This garden is really cute right now, and all the different colors are popping, but I also love the fall and Halloween embellishments in the mix here. So right now the lorope is throwing out this really bright pop of color, a nice bright purple flower. Very hardy and very showy. 4 seasons, but right now it's really shining with its flower display. And we're enjoying the last of our dahlias. That one there is strawberry ice. And in the front of this garden, the border, are our nasturtiums, which we started by seed, and this is jewel mix. And a little pop of sedum. This is another front foundation garden, and it's got quite a few hydrangeas in the front, and I just wanted you to see the beautiful shades of mauve that it turns in the fall. And towards the front is a dwarf pennisedum or ornamental grass called hameln. Such a great combination of the hydrangea, the ornamental grass, and the coral bells. This coral bell that you're seeing in the front, heuchera, is called caramel, and look at the gorgeous fall shades of copper, bronze, gold, and mauve. You can also see how the undersides of the leaves are a bright pop of mauve. I love the use of statuary in this garden. And of course, we have to show you the fall pumpkins that are displayed in this garden. This is our native plant portion, and you can see the beautiful foliage. This is called Clethra alnifolia, and right now it's turning a stunning bright yellow. This is a really great deciduous shrub. It is going to lose its leaves for the winter, so we're enjoying the very last bit of it. But it's often a plant that I recommend people use in their garden because it's so great for hummingbirds. So that's it, folks. I really hope that you enjoyed our video. I love showing you all what's going on here. And again, I am in zone 6A, so always make sure when you're selecting your plants for your gardens that you check your zone. That's super important. So happy fall, and if you like the video, please hit like and tap subscribe for some future gardening fun with us.